From the fields of gold to the city lights, where dreams are born in restless nights. Through storms we stand, through fire we rise, hope in our hearts, freedom in our eyes. Every voice, every story told, in red, white, and blue we hold. This is the land of the free, heart of the brave, where the stars still shine over every wave. Through the dark we find our way, united we stand, come what may. Mountain highs to the open plains, through the joy, the loss, the pain. Different roads, but one belief in liberty and truth, in peace. Hand in hand we rise again, stronger now than we've ever been. This is the land of the free, heart of the brave, where the stars still shine over every wave. Through the dark we find our way, united we stand, come what may. Let the bells ring loud, let the voices sing, for every soul, for everything that brought us here, that keeps us strong, in every right, in every wrong. This is the land of the free, still